Just I wanna know, I wanna tell you guys, don't think the plate washer spend too much water. Since I started, he haven't take water yet. Water will come from this pipe here, in here, and you're gonna see here when it comes. But I will connect it again because the video gonna be so long. I will start the video again when it starts to take water, so it doesn't spend water as much as they think. Look, it's stopping now. Let's see what will happen. Maybe it's drying up. Look, still is not taking water, because if the water comes, you're gonna see from here coming this way. I'll stop in a moment. When the water comes, I'll show you. Now he's draining the water. Let's see what happened next. Let's see what is in front. You see how much water gonna take? You see all the process. Water coming here, going around, mixing with salt. This is salt. And from this cylinder goes to there and goes to feed the arms. This is second time of water. The reason why I opened today, oh look, there's no more water. You see? You saw all the cycle, so it's maybe just, oh, maybe more now. Let's see. It stops. So now this water will circulate. That's it.